What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Bluetooth issues on iPhone after iOS 17 update. So guys, let's get started this video without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, turn off Bluetooth and turn it on again. Sorry, and turn it on again. And then after this, the next solution is forget Bluetooth and repair the device. So for this, go to settings, scroll down, tap on Bluetooth. So here are the Bluetooth devices. So simply tap on the eye icon and forget this device and reconnect it again. And then after this, the next solution is check the Bluetooth range. So guys, keep your Bluetooth device near the phone. And then after this, the next solution is restart your iPhone. So for the restart iPhone, tap on power button and volume up at the same time. So drag the slider to the right to power off your iPhone. So after restarting your iPhone, So after restarting your iPhone, and the next solution is reset your network settings. So for this, go to settings, scroll down, tap on general, scroll down, tap on transfer reset, tap on reset all settings, enter your passcode. So guys, this will reset all settings. No data or media will be deleted from your iPhone. So simply tap on reset all settings. So go back now, and then after this, the next so guys, and then if your issue is still, so simply contact your Apple store or visit any nearby Apple store to fix your iPhone Bluetooth issue. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Thank you. So guys, please like this video and subscribe this channel for more videos. So thank you.